let's just say you put the folder that I sent to you on WhatsApp, you just transfer it to your computer, and then you put it here on your desktop, right? It's still zipped. And then there's my MetaTrader 4. So now we're gonna unzip this so that you can get the robot from here to there. So you're just gonna right click and say extract all, and then it's gonna open it. On the desktop, as you can see, it just made an unzipped file, and then it put it there. So now once it opens it, you're just gonna need to open it, and then once you see this white folders, the ex4 files, you're just gonna come here and then you copy it. Don't double click here or open with, no, just right click and say copy. Then you can close that. Then you can go to your MetaTrader 4, which is going to be that, and then you go to file, open data file, MQL4, experts, and then you paste it. It's going to say this because I already have it. So it's either I'm going to replace it or skip it, or I can just cancel this thing. So for you, then it's going to start showing it here. Right, perfect. Now after this, you're just going to close that, come here, refresh, then it's going to start showing. Once it starts showing, what you're going to do is let me just remove these, and then GBP 5 minutes. Okay, let's just continue where we left off. After 5 minutes, you put the candles on. You can even zoom in so that you can see them. And then remember, this is still off. The auto trading is still off. So you drag it, you put it there, then it's going to show you that, my details. Don't forget to follow, and then you come this side, and then you say allow DDL, allow modifications. Then you go to inputs. Then here you're going to put your slot sizes. I'm going to put 0.02 since this is GBP USD, which is the currency. So when you put your stop loss, you need to always make sure that it corresponds with your the pair that you're trading, looking at the spread and the volatility of it. And then now stop loss, I'm just gonna say 200. You need to look at the price. Don't just set a stop loss that doesn't correspond with the price. So I'm just gonna say 200, and then I'm gonna say take profit. I'm gonna stretch it to 300, and then the number of trades, I want 3 trades, and then I'm just gonna say okay. As you can see there now, it's gonna start showing here. You need to make that thing smile. How do you make that smile? To show that it's on, you need to just go there and say auto trading. There you go, it's smiling. All you need to do now is just wait for the robot to start trading. Don't be impatient. Don't be texting me that, oh, your robot is not opening trades. It's not opening trades because there are no opportunities. You get it? It's not like you. The robot is not like you, where you just open the trades just because you want to open a trade. You get it? So now the robot is gonna open trades only when there's an opportunity for it to open trades. You get it? So please be patient. Perhaps maybe that's why you're making losses and not making profits, because you always want to trade. You just always want to open trades just because you want to open them. You don't wait for the right time to open trades. You get me? So now that's just how you install the robots. If you want to buy the full vision, you definitely have my contacts. You have my Instagram, TikTok, and WhatsApp. You can just literally GM me there. Then I'll send you the method of payments you need, and then you pay, then you get the full vision. That's it from me, guys. I hope you guys got that.